Hi everybody, this is Bradley over at Rosen Nissan Madison. I just want to take a quick instructional video for you on the electronic gear selector and the drive mode selector for the new 2023 Nissan Pathfinder. So if you take a look at the gear selector, obviously there's no stick that you're moving back and forth. So every time you change the gear in the Pathfinder, you'll have to have your foot on the brake. So we'll put our foot on the brake now, and then to get the vehicle into reverse, there's a little button on the side here. You have to push that with your thumb, and then you'll push all the way forward. There's one stopping point that you have to push past, and then, essentially, you'll see one stopping point, and then with this, it allows you to push forward. To get the vehicle back into drive, it also has two stopping points, so one back and then all the way back. That puts you into drive. You can also pull it back completely once more, and that will allow you to get into the manual shifting option. The Pathfinder does have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, and then you'll see the gear that you're in on the advanced drive assist display. Then to get the vehicle into neutral, you can either do one click forward or just one click back like this, and it'll go into neutral. And then to put it in park, you just press the P button on top, and it's as simple as that. And then we will move back to the drive mode selector here. So on the 2023 Pathfinder, there are 7 available drive modes. We have sand mode, mud and rut mode, snow mode, automatic 4-wheel drive, economy mode, sport mode, and then tow mode right there. So the sand mode and the mud and rut mode are mostly meant for if you're on bumpy roads. Let's say you're going camping and you have to drive on a dirt road that isn't paved, or gravel road. Or you want to take the Pathfinder across country to a beach, and obviously we don't have many beaches here in Madison, but that's what the sand mode and mud and rut mode would be good for. The snow mode is mostly meant for, obviously, if there's snow on the ground or ice on the ground, slippery conditions is what it's meant for. And then the automatic 4-wheel drive is just everyday driving, normal use. You can also put the vehicle into economy mode, which will be predominantly front-wheel drive. However, it'll still send power to all 4 wheels if need be when the vehicle detects slippage at one wheel. And then sport mode is going to increase your throttle sensitivity, increase your steering response, and give a more even power distribution between the 2 axles. And then the tow mode is just recommended if you are towing anything. So those are the 7 drive modes for the Pathfinder and the explanation of the electronic gear selector. If you have any questions about the vehicle or any of its features, we're always here to answer them for you. And if you want to come take a look at the vehicles in person, you can visit us at 2510 West Beltline Highway, Madison, Wisconsin.